Well, since I live in earthquake country, I am going to use a solar oven to cook meals in the event we lose our gas and electric here in earthquake country. This is a Haines 2.0 solar cooker, and this puppy is fairly inexpensive. And we got the dogs next door. So this is a Haines 2.0 solar cooker. The pot is black and it is suspended off of it's isolated, it's suspended off of the reflective surface by a plastic cone. And to trap more of the infrared, it's got a cone on top. Now, as the sun moves, I'm at 34 latitude. Every hour or so, I'll come and nudge it a little bit. Usually I put this down because you can see it's got a bit of a shadow in here. However, in another half an hour or so, the shadow will disappear and we'll get the full sunlight. So let's try our lentil soup. We're going to have potatoes, carrots, some sweet peppers also added to it, and I have some fairly nice seasoning. About 15 minutes later, I'm going to add the hard vegetables. The carrots and potatoes are going to take a little while to get tender, so I'm going to add those early. I'm also going to add a little more water. The onion and tomato paste and the sweet peppers, those won't take long, so those get added last. This is very hot. I've added the onion. I don't know if you can see it steaming there. However, I added the onion. We do need more water. Now, we're going to add the tomato paste. I like tomato paste rather than sauce. It gives it a tart. Everything is cooked. We add a medley of different colored sweet peppers. Didn't take long. 2 hours. Everything is cooked. I'm going to let this go longer so that the sweet peppers get properly tender. Check the potato to see if it's cooked properly too. Yeah, pretty much. But we'll let her go another hour. Yes. Can you see that? My soup, stew, whatever is bubbling. It is also finished. So the cover is taken off. Hello, Kitness. Hello. How are you doing, neighbor kitty? Yes, you are. Now I gotta go wash my hands. Yes, you are such. What was I doing? Oh yes, I'm cooking. Hello, kitty. I have to go back to cooking, but first I have to go wash my hands again, okay? Sorry I don't have much time to spend with kitty. I know. Bright, isn't it? That's why I'm cooking in solar. I go wash my hands now. Let's see, where was I? Oh yes. Ouch, ow, ow. Hot. That lid is very hot. Ouch. That's why it has a rubber. There we are. What do you think? It is bubbling. So overall it was in here for about 4 hours sitting out. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, yeah, 4 hours. And it's ready to go. That is very hot. It's bubbling.